This is the front. You're looking at the wrong side of the garment. So here are the side seams. They need to be pressed on both sides of the bodice. And then we're gonna attach our bias tape to the sleeve. But first, gotta press the seams in on the sides. Hello and welcome back. This is Alethea, Sail Along Sewing. So we are at day 20 on the Advent calendar. This is the dress that we are sewing here. And we're working with the bias tape around the neckline and the sleeves. So let's get started. Cracking the whip on Simplicity 9596. So now I have started sewing the bias tape around this armhole, and we can continue from there. Okay, here are the bodice armhole with the bias tape. This is the inside, and that's how it's looking on the outside. Remember to remove all the threads. Let's move on. This dress has 4 side pieces, or 4 pieces for the bottom half, where they're calling it skirts. So it has 4 skirts, side front and side back. I'm attaching pockets, understitching, and serging. I am attaching the pocket to the side front and back. Now I have attached the pockets. Let's correct that, and serge them. So now I'm understitching each pocket. Okay, so we're finished understitching. Here's the pocket. And we're gonna have to attach them. Let's move on. Okay, so here's the bottom portion of the dress. I have closed up all side seams and the back, and they need to be serged. Here are your pockets. On either side. And then we'll, next time, put the bodice on, connect the bottom of the dress to the top, which is the bodice, and hem, because this dress did not have buttons or zippers, but it did have large pockets. And now it's time for my favorite part of the video, and that's the sewing advent calendar. So it's day 20th. Let's open the calendar. Let's see what we got this time, so we can add to our tree. What is it? I'm not sure what that is. Maybe some type of marking tool? What do you think it is? Let me know in the comment. I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Just looking at it, I cannot tell at all. But anyways, let's put it on our tree. If you think you know what it is, please leave me a comment. This is always a hassle for me. Whatever it is going on the tree. For real, looks like the back of a sewing machine. So, let's hang it. Our tree is really, really full. We'll put you there. Or it could be a piece of chalk. Maybe. Anyway, happy blessed Vlogmas. Please go back and watch 1 through 19. And this one, please watch the videos and leave comments. I'll be glad to hear from you. And if you would like, I invite you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you on the 21st.